Good morning, traders. This is Shegun Chat 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So today, the focus is back on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen 15 minutes chart. So yesterday we had a bullish setup basically. I'm going to explain this quickly because I was trading this actively yesterday. So when the market opened during the Asia session on Sunday night, we had this move, and when the wave completed yesterday morning, this gave us a completed bullish wave structure. So what I mean by that is we had 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a downtrend. You can see this is still a downtrend, and then so that was the first bullish completed wave structure on this 15 minutes chart. Since this wasn't a bullish wave structure, this is just a trend changing pattern. It looks big, even bigger than this, but it is actually a trend changing pattern from this high here. Okay, so so that is significant. Then eventually price broke down the 4, came back 2, 3, 4, 5, gave us an extended move to the downside. Normally, when this happens at the low, especially after a bullish completed wave structure, that is significant. And immediately you can see how the the, the velocity in price, the way the price moved, then began to change slowly. So what I'm getting to this morning is the idea is the trend has been coming down, and now the buyers are now comfortable printing series of higher highs and higher lows. We've seen the first one which was corrected. We've now seen this area here. This is our focus this morning. I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, so we now have another completed wave structure. If you see this here, after this completed wave structure, immediately they push the price below the 4. But look at this one. They are now accumulating above the 3. What that suggests is the buyers that took the price from here to this point are strong. They are more comfortable than these buyers yesterday. There is a change. I was explaining this the other day. Price is the perception of traders. If traders believe this price is good, they will show conviction. And the price gives us this information in so many ways, depending on how experienced you are in terms of interpreting the market information. The price always gives you information. And what we can derive from here is that the buyers that took this price from here are very strong. So the trading plan for us this morning, okay, is to go long above this 5 here. That is a valid buy because that is a internal momentum high, and the rule is momentum high must be bought. We've seen a completed wave structure. The second thing, which is a very cool thing that I'm going to show you, is the Fibonacci analysis of this first wave structure. So what we normally do is I use the key ratio. I draw from the 0 all the way to 3 because that is the initial momentum high, and we are looking for information based on where the 5 end. Okay, so this 5 ended at the T1. This is what we call the T1. Let me load the template actually. Key ratio. Okay, I have changed the lines. Anyway, this is our T1. What that suggests is that there's going to be a high probability of a second bullish wave structure, which will be stronger than this first wave structure. The area we want that information is here, the T2 here, which is the 61.8. We need to see a strong momentum break above this area here. Above here is the entry. The stop will come below the last pullback here. So when this finishes, we don't really want this price trading back below the 3, okay, because this 3 represents the momentum high. If it slides below the 3, that means this pullback low is going to be traded. But the picture we have here is that these buyers are strong. The buyers that took the price from here to this point are strong. The reason we said that is because the accumulation is happening above the momentum high. If these buyers are not sure about what they're doing, this is what you should see. And that is the way we read the price. Okay. So in terms of trading idea, we want to go long above here. Okay. Selling for me is not, I'm not interested in selling this right here. Okay. Maybe if we break this structure, which is structure 2, then that opens up the low. But even if the price come here, this is still a pullback low. We need to break it twice before I can say yes, it is a valid sell for me. Okay, so what I'm thinking is a break above the momentum high, the internal momentum high. That is technical. That follows the rule that we trade by. We can take that trade and use the pullback low here as a stop loss. Okay, the first target, however, is this momentum high here. Okay, we need to watch this area closely. If you see, the traders will always do the same thing over and over again. So if they get there and we didn't see a blast through, the initial reaction there might be a short. Okay, and that is why I'm using that area as my first target. The overall target, okay, for the second wave structure is the extension 1, the major extension 1, which is the 161.8. This area here, that is 107.99. Okay, I'm not going to look beyond that. This could be a strong a beginning of a major trend reversal in the yen pairs. Basically, I like to trade CADJPY because I just believe the price is more cleaner. Okay, and that is it for this morning. If time permits me during the day, because I'm interested in taking this trade as well, I will be updating this trade as time goes on. And that's it basically. I wish you a successful trading week, because today's Tuesday, the week I've just started, and and wish you all the success. God bless.